In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to order checks and supplies. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to QuickBooks, you can follow along with ease. Let's start by opening up QuickBooks. You can do this by entering the web address into your preferred browser. Once you've logged into your QuickBooks account, you'll be greeted by the home page. QuickBooks, with its user-friendly interface, really makes managing your business finances a breeze. From here, we'll begin our journey toward ordering checks and supplies. Now direct your focus to the top right corner of the home page. This is where you'll find the settings icon. Clicking on this is crucial to accessing the features and tools you'll need, including our goal today, ordering checks. The settings menu is your gateway to customizing your QuickBooks experience, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with the options available here. With the settings menu open, you'll need to select the option labeled Order Checks. QuickBooks integrates this feature seamlessly, making it easy for users to restock their essential bookkeeping supplies without hassle. When you click on Order Checks, QuickBooks will navigate you to their checks and supplies ordering page. This is where you'll have access to a variety of check styles and other supplies that suit your specific business needs. As you're choosing your checks, consider the options they provide. Whether you're looking for basic checks, custom designs, or perhaps something with additional security features. It's worth taking a moment to think about how these checks will reflect your business. Branding and security can be important factors depending on your requirements. Once you've made your selection, simply follow the prompts provided by QuickBooks to complete your order. You'll typically be asked for shipping information and payment details, so make sure you have these on hand. QuickBooks streamlines this process, ensuring that your order is placed smoothly, and you'll have your new supplies in no time. A quick tip. It's always a good idea to keep track of your check inventory within QuickBooks. Setting reminders for when you might need to reorder can help ensure you never run out. This small organizational step can save a lot of last-minute stress. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to ordering checks and supplies through QuickBooks. With these simple steps, you're ensuring that your business's financial operations continue to run efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this demonstration has been helpful in streamlining your QuickBooks experience. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to explore other QuickBooks features and resources to enhance your financial management skills.